Hi guys, it's Avas and welcome to my YouTube channel Techrify. So guys, today's our topic is how to fix if Google Chrome search engine changes to Yahoo. So guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. So guys, for that simply open Google Chrome. So guys, here you can see written Yahoo. So my search engine is changed to Yahoo. So to fix this error, simply here you can see three dots. So click on it, and here you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. So guys, to fix this error, here you can see the option of reset settings. So click on it. Now you can see restore settings to their original defaults. So simply click on it and click on reset. So guys, after reset your problem will be fixed. But if your problem still remains, so simply here you can see the option of search engine. So click on it, and here you can see search engine used in the address bar. So you can see selected Yahoo. So simply expand this option and from here select Google. So after selecting Google, simply close this and again open this. So guys, here you can see we have changed Yahoo to Google search engine. So guys, here you can see we have fixed the error Google Chrome search engines changing to Yahoo. So guys, you can also fix this error by following this process. I hope you will find this video informative. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye, have a good day.